I know deep up my feelings for you.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel for latest news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside our green country, so maybe Nigeria. And once again, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come with fresh reports wey we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say, members of the Edosta, that is the Edo State supporting teachers to achieve results, them now don't come outside the appeal they give Governor Monday Okpebholo of the state to make him absorb them as permanent teachers into the state public service. Men now don dey yarn dey give Governor Monday Okpebholo say go make more sense, so it go nice well if dem kuku turn them to permanent teachers for the Edo State public service. So this group so for inside one letter wey dey jointly signed by the chairman and secretary wey be Joel Osaro and Austin Omokefe. Dem now dey let men dey know say they don dey teach for over 3 years. And now them now they beg the Edo State governors making Kukuma regularize their appointments. And still for inside the letter, them now come the yarn say you know go dey right at all. It go dey very much unfair to come dey push them aside based on their training and knowledge wey they don acquire within the 3 years, especially when they are pillars holding all public schools for inside Edo State. Them now the yarn say teaching now don't enter their blood, teaching now don't dey for their system. The thing now don't become their passion and hobby, and they don't dey do am for 3 years. I no go good say the government last will come cast them one side. No go good say the government last will come sack them. They no go do that thing they love to do. Meanwhile, this their hobby, so this their training, this their knowledge wey they don't acquire for the 3 years. It did nice well. And last now be the pillars so they hold all the public schools for inside Edo State. Now, according to how men take yarn for inside their letter, they say the appeal so whether they forward give the governor of the state to be Senator Monday Okpebholo, the thing come out of their zeal and dedication to this their job as Edosta fellows. And them now they don't dedicate their time and they don't even leave some of their loved ones go stations where men post them go. Some of their members even bear ROIPCF during the process of their engagement as Edosta fellows, while some of their members get miscarriage due to the rigorous computer-based test examination. And besides, they don't collect training and they are very much engaged in the fellowship program for 3 years. And they constantly let men they know say some of their members don't been give up their admission to study other programs then decide say na education course now they want to do for the 3 years with the hope of being absorbed into public service. So to discredit them is like to discredit the government schools and institutions we don't raise them, and also discredit all their efforts and time wey they don't put into this fellowship program. And after every the group constantly remind Governor Monday Okpebholo of his promise to recruit at least 5,000 teachers before his 100 days in office, and also to make all Edosta fellows permanent staff by absorbing them into public service. Now, anyhow, this report be you for body, or if you be say get contributions about this topic, so don't let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. But meanwhile, me still get another report for table where I still need share give the general public. And the cocoa be say the authorities of Cecie West local government area of Edo State don't ban the movement of motorcycles, popularly known as Okada, within the locality between the hours of 8 p.m. and 6 a.m. That is to say, for inside Cecie West local government area, men no want to see Okada once it's knack. So as a country person where you be, if you be say you get Okada for inside the area before it go good, make you go pack am because it is no longer allowed. And report also the ground say the acting chairman of East and Northeast Local Government Council will be Mr. Paul. He don also announced the immediate suspension of all scrap metal dealer activities for inside Uromi and Uziel communities. And now the actions of these two local governments they come sake of the insecurity wey men don too face for the area. And also for inside one statement by the secretary to the Cecie West local government will be Honorable Zekanine Momodu. And this statement so they carry the date 17th April 2025. Either they let men they know say the acting chairman of the council will be Honorable Valentine. They tell men say the restriction is very much intended to calm down criminal activities and improve the general security architecture of the area. Oga Secretary will be Honorable Zekanine Konsdejan said the decision was in response to the growing insecurity concerns across the locality. That is sake of the Jagoda incident now we don't to plaster for the area recently. Sake of the insecurity crisis women don't to face for the communities. Now why the guys plaster this decision. And last, the aim of this decision so now to enhance the safety and well-being of countrymen who they stay for the area. And still for inside the statement, the honourable dey yarn dey give men say dis move so dey follow a bigger trend across several local government areas for inside Edo State and beyond, where motorcycle restrictions have been adopted as a strategy to reduce incidents of crime and improve nighttime security. Now, countrymen and all concerned parties are very much expected to comply with the directive and cooperate fully with the law enforcement agencies wey dey don assign to enforce the decision. Security agencies including the Nigerian Police Force plus Department of State Services wey be DSS and the Nigerian Security and Civil Defence Corps wey be NSCDC, all of them now don receive the notification, all of them now don receive the alert, and they are very much expected to begin enforcement immediately. Dis my good people na the statement of the secretary wey be Honourable Zeka Nene. Now, after every the acting chairman of ESA North-East Local Government Council of Edo State wey be Mr. Paul Konde announced the immediate suspension of all scrap metal dealer activities for inside Uromi and Uzie communities. And the decision of the chairman was conveyed in a statement issued by his chief press secretary wey be Oriwo Henry. And this statement come board on the 15th day of April for inside CJ wey be 2025. The statement now dey draw ear, dey sama warning dey give country people. Say if dem gbab or if dem catch anybody wey dey scavenge for scrap metals from the 22nd day of April for inside CJ wey be 2025. Normally, my good people, we know say mostly Hausa people dey like to dey waka for streets dem. They scavenge for metals, they find where they go see iron, make them for go sell, you understand? But now, these are statements on the draw ear, the summer warning. Say if they catch any country person at all, where they go scavenge for scrap metals, where they go street by street, they go find iron, where they go pick for ground from the 22nd day of April, for this year, so maybe 2025, they go consider them say that person now they do illegal something. And for anybody where they do illegal something for inside we nation Nigeria, there is a legal punishment. And also the decision to ban all these scrap dealer activities them now for inside the area still dey come sake of the concerns from residents. It didn't come board in response to mounting concerns from residents where they yarn say many of the dealers, many of those countrymen now, many of those northerners where they go find metal, where they go waka from street to street, they find iron where they go sell. So many of them they involved in criminal activities. So this, my good people, now the information I want share give the general public. Now I believe very well say onto this information, so many country people go get lots of things and things to talk about. So no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so feel free make it drop your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be reality latest gist. And I would like give on our latest news on politics and many other cocoa with the sup. For inside this our green country, so maybe Nigeria. And now if you be say you this update and you go like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to reality latest gist. And don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we bring more news they come your side, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp.